Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this galaxy star constellation charm using UV colored resin that I got from Daiso in Japan, as well as some premium glitter from Crafty Glitter. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. So, to start off, we're going to stick this charm on some sticky tape. So now I'm squeezing on some different colored resin. I'm using UV resin that I got from Daiso, these cute little tubes. Pink. Next, get my trusty tool, and I'm just going to mix the colors all the way around and blend them together. Then we're going to put this under the UV light to let it cure. Next, I'm going to add a layer of clear UV resin on top. Get that trusty tool and spread it out. Now I'm going to add in some white glitter. Try and get it in the actual bezel charm, not on the side. Spread that around. Okay, now that can go under the UV light to be cured. Now let's do another layer of UV resin, clear. Spread that out. Now I'm going to place this, I think it's a constellation inclusion at the bottom here. And then also a little cute little miniature rocket ship at the top here. And could put that under the UV light to be cured. Okay, let's do another layer of clear UV resin. Get the tool, spread, spread, spread. Next, I'm going to be using some special premium craft glitter by Crafty Glitter, and this color is going to be brushed gold. So I'm going to get some of this gold glitter, put it in the middle section. Don't worry if there's clumps, we'll get our trusty tool and spread that out. Then I'm just going to get a little bit of silver glitter on the end of my tool and just spread it around a bit. Then I've just got a few gold flakes that I'm going to add just around the middle, not too many. Just a few to really emphasize that gold middle section. Alright, now put this under the UV light to let it cure. We're going to add one more layer of clear UV resin over the top. Spread that out. Alright, one last time. Let's put this under the UV light to let it cure completely. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.